all, this is Bharati. I hope you can remember. And today I came up with a new topic that why our space looks much darker even though it have a plenty of stars present in it, especially our sun. So this is the question which we are going to discuss right now, and before that, if you not yet subscribe this channel, do subscribe and enable the notifications so that you will get my videos without any issues. So I repeat the question once again, why our space looks much darker even though it have plenty of stars in it like our sun. So this is the question, very bizarre question I think. We are living on earth, we are receiving the major source of light from sun which is residing in space. It's give lights to earth but not to the space, is it? So it's very bizarre, and even I am too very excited while reading this question, so I wish to do a video about this. And the first reason is, to see a light we must need an object. When a light falls on an object, the object started to reflect the light so that we can see the reflection of a object in our eyes retina. So in our space we does not have any object, so that we are not able to sense the light. Second reason is, when I take an empty bottle, actually it is empty? No, it is filled with air. Yes, the air molecules as well as the surface of the bottle allows light to pass through them. That's what the bottle is transparent, is it? So the air molecules is also allows light to pass through them, so that we can able to see the light, is it? So in our space we does not have any atmosphere, air, so that we cannot sense the light. So these are the two reasons why the space looks darker. And beyond this, I wish to explain one more thing also. We are supposed to sustain in a Sahara desert for one night. We does not have any torchlight, is it? We does not have any light to see any object, is it? So first thing, only a kingpin torchlight is given to you. By using this kingpin torchlight, can you see the entire Sahara desert? Definitely no. You can see some of the land masses present in front of you, is it? So we cannot see the entire Sahara desert with the mini torchlight. Like that, our galaxy is vast. We cannot see the entire galaxy by using a tiny star like sun, is it? I hope you can understood. And if you like this video, do subscribe and enable the notifications and share maximum. Thank you.